when I start trading, is that you can make money quick. Like sometime one day I can make $500, I can make $200, $300 in one day. But the cons is if you get involved emotionally, you can lose money just like that. USA Mon. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. In today's video we're going to talk about trading, stock trading. Some of you guys who are new in this country, who are permanent resident, or you probably don't know about stock, or maybe you heard about stock but you don't know that you can trade stock. Okay, so basically trading stock is just buying a part of a company. Okay, let's say Amazon. Okay, if you buy Amazon stock, it means that you own a part of Amazon, and you can lose money or make money. Okay, so it's kind of like a side hustle you can do to make extra money, because in this country sometimes your 9-to-5 job won't do it. You have to do something on the side. Okay, and one of the side hustle that I do is buying and selling stocks, and I want to share my experience with you. Maybe some of you guys are interested in to buy stock and sell stock and make some money. Okay, so now to start trading, which is buying and selling stocks, you have to know the fundamental stuff. Okay, the market fundamental, basically what is stocks. Okay, what you need to know about stock before you start trading. Okay, you have to know what is bear market or bull market. So bull market is basically when it's the stock is price is going up, but bear market is when the price is going down. Okay, during the pandemic it was bear market. The stock prices are going down. Went down, and then after the pandemic they start coming back up. They're not fully where they were before the pandemic, but stocks and prices are going up now. That's the bull market. Okay, you have to know that. Those are the basic stuff you need to know before you start trading. You need to be trained. You need to be trained, okay, by a professional, somebody who knows what he or she is doing. There are a lot of traders out there. They lie to you that they're making money, but they only make money by selling course or books and stuff like that. So you have to, if you want to be trained, you want to take a course or buy a course, whatever, make sure you buy it from somebody who knows exactly what he or she is doing. Okay, so when I first started, I didn't take any class, or I didn't take any training, anything like that. I bought a book, and this is the book that I bought, which is How to Day Trade. This is the book that I bought. I don't have any affiliate with this book or anything like that. I just want to show it to you. It's a good book. It helps me a lot. So that's one of the book. Another thing I did, I watched a lot of YouTube video, and also the broker that I choose, they have a lot of videos on YouTube. I watch those to understand how the stock market works before I start trading. Okay, and then another thing you need to know is to choose the right brokerage or broker. Okay, so there are a lot of brokerage company out there, like TJ Trade, Ameritrade, or something like that. But the one that I use, it's called Trade Station. It's a good brokerage. You have to make sure you choose the one that don't charge you a lot of fees, because there are a lot of brokers out there. They charge a lot of fees when you buy stocks and sell stock. They're going to charge a lot of fees. Sometimes you end up not making any money. Okay, so it's another thing you have to keep in mind. Another thing is make sure you know what is like your investment strategy, your investment goals. Basically, do you want to trade the short term? You want to trade long term? You have to know those stuff. If you want to trade, maybe you want to buy the stock or hold it for like 2 months, 3 months, or like a year or 2 years, 5 years. You have to know that before you buy in the stocks, because don't buy stocks and then change your mind later. Yeah, it's you can change your mind later, but at least you have your objective. Know exactly how long you want to hold a stock for before you buy it. Okay, there is something called trading strategies. Okay, you don't just buy stocks. Okay, you have to have a strategies. When to buy the stock, when to sell the stock. Okay, sometimes some of the strategies that I use to buy stock is called VWAP, which is volume weight average price. I use VWAP and also support and resistance to buy stock and sell stock. Okay, so support is basically when the stock is going down at one point, it will stop there and then it won't go down anymore, and then from there it will bounce back up. Or resistance, if it's going up at one point, it won't go higher anymore, it will come down. So I use that sometimes to buy my stock and sell stock. There are different strategies, but you have to know your strategies. Okay, before you buy stock and or sell stock, you have to have a goal. Okay, so you cannot enter a trading without a goal, because you know exactly what price you have to know what price you want to buy the stock and what price you want to sell the stock. Okay, those are the stuff you need to know before you buy your stock. Okay, when you buy, just stick with your strategy. Don't change it because of emotion. This is another thing too. Don't change your position because of the emotion. Okay, so that's another thing you need to think about before buying and selling stock. Another thing is the psychology behind the stocks. What I mean psychology is like emotion. Sometimes you can buy stock or sell stock based on fear or greed. Okay, so sometimes you probably fear that, okay, the price will drop more than it is now. Like, let's say the price was, you bought it at $10 and it start going down, it's $8 and it's $7. Maybe the price will bounce back once it reach $5, but you don't know. You kind of worry too much based on fear. You will sell the stock and you will lose money. Or sometimes the price will go, or you probably buy like $10, it will go up like $15. You already make $5, but you'll be like, oh no, I want to make it $20. It might go 16, 17 and then drop down, and you probably lose money. Maybe you sell it even at $10, or you might lose money. So fear and greed are something that you have to control when it comes to trading psychology, because most of the trading is based on psychology. Okay, if you don't have a strong mind, you're gonna lose money. That's how I lost a lot of money trading. Again, I made money too, but I lost a lot of money because of fear or greed. Another thing you need to keep in mind is stop loss. Okay, if you because you have risk management, basically that's what I want to talk about. Risk management, you have to put like a stop loss. Basically what it is if you buy the stock at $10, you want to set up your stop loss maybe at $8. Okay, if it reach $8, it will sell automatically. You don't want to lose more than $2 on that $10 stock. Okay, that's called stop loss. By doing that, it will prevent you from losing a lot of money. That's something you need to keep in mind. Sometimes it's easy to say than done. Once you're in the trading, especially if you have emotion, if your emotion is involved, it's easy to forget about that stop loss. Okay, you don't have to. Trading is a strategy. Don't put your emotion in the trading. If you put emotion in the trading, like I say, fear or greed, you will lose money every time. Okay, I learned that the hard way. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. Right now, I stopped trading a little bit because I lost some money recently. I stop now because sometimes if you lose money, you just keep trying to gain those money, you will lose more money. So I don't want to do that. That's why I stop. Maybe 2-3 months from now, I'm gonna start buying a little stock and left and there, left and right. Okay. Another thing is buying stocks. Avoid penny stock. Penny stock, those are like 2 cent stock, 3 cent stock. Avoid those because they kind of manipulate by big companies a lot. You're not gonna make a lot of money. You have to avoid those. Buy stock on, let's say, stocks like maybe small stock like $5, $10 stock, $7 stock. Yeah, you can buy those. You can start buying those. As a beginner. Okay, and then if you have a lot of money, you can buy stuff for like Amazon, Apple, or those are big stocks you can buy. Okay, and then ETF also is another stock you can buy. The good thing, I like ETF. Reason why I like ETF is because ETF is kind of like a group of stocks. Let's say one stock on one company stock is like $100, another one is like $50, another one is like $200. When they have an ETF, that ETF can cost maybe $15 or $20. So buying an ETF is like you buying part of different company. Okay, so if one company is, let's say one company went bankruptcy, the rest of them still gonna be there. But if you buy like one individual stock, if that company goes bankrupt, and your money is gone. Okay, so ETF is or something you have to keep in mind when you're buying your stock. Okay, do your own research. I'm not providing any legal or financial advice here. No, I'm not. Okay, do your own research. Do your due diligence. Okay, you have to do that before you purchase stocks. Okay. Another thing you need to keep in mind is that there is something also called scalping. Scalping, basically, you buy stock and maybe you sell it 5 minutes after you bought it. If it went up, you sell it. If it goes down, depending on your strategy. If you go short, then you can sell it when the price goes down. You make profit. If you go long, it goes up, you sell it. But it's like in a short period of time. It can be 5 minutes, it can be 10 minutes, it can be 15 minutes. That's scalping. Okay, so you have to have a different strategy. You want to do scalping, you want to do day trading. Day trading is basically when it stops open, maybe it's, like 9:30 Eastern time and close at 4 o'clock. Yeah, you can do that. It's just called day trading, just during the day. Or you can do swing trading. Swing trading is basically when you hold your stock for like a week or 2 weeks before you sell it, or even more before you sell it. As long as it's more than a day, yeah, it will consider swing trading. So you have to know which one you want, which one is kind of fit your personality. There are people who cannot analyze stuff quick. That way they don't want to do day trading, because day trading depend on the candlestick, or depend on there's a gap. Like it can be 15-minute candlestick, can be 5-minute candlestick, 20-minute candlestick, on 1 hour, 30-minute to 1 hour candlestick. Depend on the one you like the best, because everything has to fit your personality. Okay, so candlestick, we're going to talk about that. Maybe I will have another like a basic on video about trading those on technical stuff, on let just show you example exactly what it is. So candlestick is basically just kind of green and red. When the candlestick is green, it means that the stock is going up. When it's red, it means that it's going down. Okay, and like I said, it depends on what kind of position. If you are long, you're going long, or you're going short. Okay, long is you buying, you hope that the price goes up so you can sell it. Short is that you buy, you hope that the price goes down, then you can make profit from there. You borrow the money. When you're doing short, you just borrow, not the money, but you borrow the stock, and then let's say you borrow the stock at $100. Okay, so when you borrow it there, if the price went down to $80, for example, you make $20 profit, because you're only gonna pay back whatever you borrow. Okay, that's what is short. But long is you buy it at $100 with your own money. If it goes 120, you make money, and then you sell it and make money, basically. Okay, so those are the stuff you need to know when it comes to trading. Like I say, it's a good side hustle. You can make money, but you have to be careful. The pros for me, when I start trading, is that you can make money quick. Like sometime one day I can make $500, I can make $200, $300 in one day. But the cons is if you get involved emotionally, you can lose money just like that. Like in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can lose all your money like that. And then another thing you have to know is that when you're trading, don't just put all your money in one stock. Don't do that. Or you have to diversify your money. You can buy different ETF. That way, if one goes down, and hopefully another one, you're going to make it up on another stock. Another stock will go up. You can make money, okay? And then always invest, let's say you have a $5,000. You can just invest maybe 10% of that amount, or 20%, depend, but don't invest the whole money. I make those mistakes. I don't want you to make those mistakes. That's what I'm telling you. Those are the stuff you need to know when you're trying to start trading. Like I say, I don't trade on crypto or anything like that. Just I go, I buy, sell stocks, and also ETF, just stocks. Okay. So like I told you, this information for some of you guys who are newcomers, who are permanent resident in this country, don't know that there are other opportunities you can make money other than just going and do your 9 to 5. This is one of them. I have plenty stuff and plenty experience, different style hustle that I did, that I make money from. I'm going to share some of those experiences with you. It's not just, like I say, this channel is not just about immigration stuff. I'm going to start talking about other stuff as well, to educate on some of you guys, so you don't make also mistake that I made, or maybe some of the some friends that I know made. Learn from other people's mistake. If you like the video, click on the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I talk to you in another video. By the way, my name is John, in case you don't know me.
USA Monde.